My opinion is, my personal opinion is, anything we've done in the 19th cannot also be negated by the 20th. Kasi the fact of the matter remains that the Vice President has been impeached. And ang worry ko lang, sa totoo lang, no, with the proceeding as it is sana hindi naman malunod sa technicality ang ating kagustuhang mabigyan linaw ang pananagutan sa pangalawang pinakamataas na lingkod bayan ng ating bansa. Well, the Senate will operate according to the rules, according to the impeachment rules that they presented. We just hope that everything will be done in the spirit of fairness and integrity, no? The integrity of the process. And also, we're all, katatapos lang ho namin manumpa lahat to uphold, to support the Constitution of the Philippines. Pero alam natin kung meron mang pananagutan, kung meron mang perspektibo o meron mang concern ang Senado, it could have been raised better in the course of the trial, di ba? That would have been the proper context for them to be able to raise their concerns and their objections, especially if these issues would have rather been left for the defense to point out. Kasi that would have afforded also the House to present. Now, no damage is being done to the prosecutorial panel kasi hindi pa naman sila nag-represent ng position ng prosecutors. But in the end, yung taong bayan ang nadedehado dito sa usaping ito. Kasi dapat alam na ng taong bayan to eh. Alam na sana natin, nag-proceed na sana tayo doon sa mga katanungan na sabi ko kanina kung anong katotohanan tungkol sa paggamit ng confidential funds at iba pang paratang sa articles of impeachment.